Hello, it's Koko Cooks, and today I want to cook some rabbit, and I want to do it from the German cuisine. Now, the German cuisine is a bit different from French or British cuisine. It's a bit like German people, so they're simple and reliable, and the German cuisine is also very tasty. Let's start cooking. So here I have some quinoa going on. In 20 minutes it should be done. We start with a bit of olive oil. Just a bit, don't need much. We throw in rabbit into a hot saucepan, into a hot pan, sorry. We need this to give rabbit a color. Now we take the rabbit meat away, like this. We put some bacon in. This one is smoked one. With the lard comes the onion. After the onion we add carrots. After the carrots we add mushrooms. That smell. Woo! The mushrooms we add garlic. I had about 5 cloves of garlic. We add a bit of smoked paprika. About a tablespoon. We add about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of chili. Take some white wine. We add about 1 glass of white wine. Wait until wine evaporates. Once the wine evaporated, we add bouquet garni. Here I have rosemary and thyme. We put our rabbit back. And we put about 1 liter of hot water. And we forget about it for about 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. And with a miracle of time, we have the following results. We're not done just yet. Winter is coming, so we have to add a bit of 35% cream. Now what is important is that not to boil the cream, but just to warm it up. And garni bouquet we don't need anymore, we throw it away. And last but not least, we add just a bit of sage. We keep it for another 5 minutes and we're ready to serve. Let's give it a try. Carrot is really soft. It's still a bit hot. This is one of my favorite autumn dishes. It's amazing, it's a bit smoky, has paprika, the cayenne pepper spice everything a little bit up, and let's try the meat. The meat of the rabbit itself doesn't have a lot of fat. It falls off the bone, so the meat is really soft. It is quite a simple dish. The only thing you have to know that it will take about 1 hour and a half, maybe 2 hours even better. For the only reason, this will make everything tender. And if you don't like tender meat or tender carrots or being tender on knife, just cut the time to 1 hour, half an hour, and eat it half raw. Why not? It's always, it's your choice. I was just kidding, by the way. Thank you very much for watching me. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. And I'll show you more recipes later. Thank you. Bye bye.